Hello, my name is Gianfranco Moreno from the EFW team. So I'm going to show you how I installed the PWA extensions. It was pretty simple. It was just a NuGet package. It's called WebEssentials.asp netcore PWA, and it installed many other dependencies, all related to the PWA template from NuGet. It's very simple to find. I might have the link here, so it's very simple. And the second part, I just need to run this line of code into the package manager console. So when it finishes loading, I just copy paste, and I have to be sure to pick the appropriate project for it to install. The next thing for this video is showing the template that I installed. We're going to use a Bootstrap template for this project, and here I'm referencing all the CSS and the fonts that are going to be used through the whole application. And as you can see, I'm already using Bootstrap declarations here, and this is where all the CSS are located, the fonts and the JavaScript libraries. So in my index, I'm using Bootstrap classes and also some personal ones that I have created. It's been pretty simple, and it's just trying to understand specifically how Bootstrap works based on the CSS and the JavaScript, and using their classic column pattern. So that will be all. Thank you.